The electrical grid is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Increasing penetration of renewables and dynamic consumption profiles caused by electric vehicles and AI-driven data centers are presenting unique challenges for utilities. To ensure grid reliability and stability, it is important to maintain power quality of the network. Hitachi Energy offers STATCOM for distributed power, a proven technology to generate and exchange reactive power with the grid, dynamically control grid voltage, and respond swiftly to emergency situations. This helps hydrogen and renewable power plants, distribution utilities, and industries like mining and steel to avoid downtime and non-compliance penalties, maximize power generation, and ensure smooth and stable operation of the facility. STATCOM for distributed power provides several crucial functionalities, including voltage control, reactive power compensation, power factor improvement, and harmonic filtering. It can support site requirements from 2 megavars to 45 megavars and features a modular and containerized design. Each STATCOM unit is pre-assembled and pre-tested, allowing for fast and easy installation, commissioning, and maintenance on site. Both indoor and outdoor STATCOM units are available to meet the unique requirements of the application. STATCOM for distributed power, ensuring power quality and enabling sustainable operations of the grid.